What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to Daily Diecast. Today we have part 2 of our Hot Wheels Factory 500 horsepower. I got 3 more of those awesome cars, and we're gonna jump right into the video with this Ford Shelby GT350R. Shout out to the Mustang Hunter Diecast. I'm sure he has this one. And if not, I'm sure he's on the lookout for it. But yeah, here's the card right there, just in case you missed the first episode. And let's get to cracking. Alright, there we go. And out you come, little buddy. Alright, there it is. Alright, we got some nice bright orange paint. No side view mirrors on this casting. Roll down windows, black interior. Looks like we got some taillight detail. As we mentioned in the last video, these cars seem to either have taillights or headlights, but not ever both. So yeah, no headlights there. Do got some nice racing stripes. Black 10-spoke wheels, which look really nice against that orange paint in my opinion. And there is the black plastic base. Awesome, very fun casting. There we go, let's put that one right there. And we got another Mustang right here. The 2010 Shelby GT500 Super Snake. And then there's the card for that one. Awesome, this one has the Y5 wheels, which I like a lot. I really like those wheels. Alright, and here's the car itself. Alright, we got a dark red with some blue tampos on there. Very nice. No headlights on this one. You can see a little bit of the detail in the mesh grille. Looks good. And there's those Y5s I was talking about. They're in chrome. See the Cobra logo right there, and the GT500. And oh, no taillights either. So this one has neither taillights or headlights. It's kind of a bummer. This one does have side view mirrors though, so that's a nice change. Some little vents on the hood, roll down windows, black interior, and another black plastic base. Very nice casting. Out of the two Mustangs, I don't know, it's kind of a toss-up for me. They're both pretty nice. Alright, but my favorite in this video is this 2012 Camaro ZL1 Concept. And again, there's the card. And just in case you missed it in the first video, there's the other vehicles in the set. So now I'm only missing the Corvette, the Viper, and the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Very nice set of cars. I really like this series. Been a lot of fun cracking these open. Alright, there we go. Nice, man, that green paint is really nice. Really well done, very smooth. Got the ZL1 tampo. A little bit of flat black detail. See Camaro right there on the side. This one has PR5s. So again, no headlights or taillights in this video. Kind of a bummer. Kind of a bummer. But still, really nice car. No side view mirrors. Roll down windows. Again, black interior. So they really like the black interiors in this set. Very good looking car. Got a little bit of marker light detail there and there. Still very cool. Very nice looking cars. Alright you guys, thank you very much for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. Which of these cars do you like the most? What are your overall opinions of the Factory 500 horsepower series? I would love to know. Please leave your comments down below. Just in case you're new here, my name is J-Dog and I post Hot Wheels and Matchbox videos every single day. And I will see you guys tomorrow.